Hello and welcome to another Power Defense instructional video. Power Defense is Eaton's line of molded case circuit breakers that range from 15 amps up to 2500 amps across 6 frames. Today we're talking about the Power Defense Frame 6.
The largest of the Power Defense family, the globally rated Frame 6 has 1600, 2000, and 2500 amp constructions. Covers continuous current ratings from 700 up to 2500 amps and provides interruption ratings up to 100 KAIC at 480 volts. Configured with electronic PXR trip units, the PD6 features breaker health monitoring, integral metering, and a field interchangeable trip unit, as well as options for ground fault protection, arms, and multiple communication options.
Let's take a look at these step-by-step instructions for today's demonstration.
Always work safely. For this installation, from the off position, use the push to trip button on the front of the trip unit to put the breaker into trip position. Mount the breaker to the enclosure wall using 4 mounting bolts provided. The PD6 flex shaft assembly is available with both high performance and metal handle options. Both options have NEMA 1, 3R12, and NEMA 4 4X ratings available, and cable length sizing from 4 feet up to 6 feet. When selecting the cable length, please ensure a minimum bending radius of 5 inches is maintained for proper operation. For information on drill and cutout patterns for mounting the flex shaft handle, please see the instruction leaflet included with each assembly, or on our website at eaton.com/powerdefense. To install the high-performance handle onto the enclosure, first, remove the 2 screws and lock washers from the top and bottom of the back of the outer handle mechanism. Then, place the outer handle with attached gasket over the enclosure cutout as shown. Next, slide the toggle mechanism assembly into place and fasten by completely tightening the top and bottom mounting screws and lock washers in place through the toggle mechanism bracket, through the enclosure, and into the handle. Next, rotate the outer handle to the on position. Then, rotate the belt crank, align, and attach it with the actuator link through the hole in the belt crank. Secure the connection using an E-ring provided in the assembly kit. The metal handle and toggle mechanism are installed to the enclosure in the exact same way. Then, to install the actuator mechanism assembly, first, remove the bottom 2 cover screws as shown. Verify that the breaker is in trip position and move the outer handle into the trip position so that the actuator mechanism mounts properly. Mount the actuator mechanism to the breaker by fastening the 2 mounting screws and lock washers provided as shown. Lastly, fasten the door interlock pin and lock washer into the handle as shown. For the metal handle assembly, the door interlock tab is installed using the 2 screws provided. To complete the installation, operate the handle mechanism to ensure functionality. The assembly can be operated with either the door closed or by defeating the door interlock lever. Make sure the breaker changes state appropriately as the outer handle changes position. For more information about the flex shaft adjustment, door hardware, and other details on this assembly, please see the instruction leaflet included, or visit our website at eaton.com/powerdefense.
Thanks again for watching. We hope this instructional video was helpful.
For additional instructional videos, 3D drawings, tech data sheets, catalog information, and more, visit our website at eaton.com/powerdefense.